guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here on day 18 of this Vietnam trip. I'm flying back to Saigon on VietJet, and as you can see, my flight is supposed to leave at 7:10 already, but it got delayed by about 2 hours, and now it's now it's gonna depart at 9:10 instead. So I'm just gonna walk around the airport for now. But yeah, I'm officially leaving Vietnam tomorrow. But for now, I'm just flying back to Saigon, stay one day, and then I'll be going back to LAX. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around and see if I can find anything. Alright guys, so right now I'm currently chilling in the SH Premium Lounge here at the Phu Quoc Airport. This is a lounge that's open to anyone who's a Priority Pass member. I'm actually a Priority Pass member myself, so I have access to lounges like this. This is actually a beautiful lounge, and especially that you can see the planes outside. Yeah, I'm gonna see if there's gonna be some runway action. By the way, usually when I go to a lounge, I get food, but I already ate at a Burger King, so yeah, I don't need any food tonight. Alright guys, so here's the view of the tarmac outside. There's one VietJet A320 currently parked out there. By the way guys, my plane that's taking me to Saigon is different than the A330 that took me here. So to Saigon tonight, I'll be flying on an A321. So I have a window seat again. This time it's I believe on the A330 I was at seat 10K on the right side. This time I'm on the left side of the plane. So anyways, yeah, there's not that really many planes out there, but you do get a view of the runway, which is over there. My VietJet plane that's taking me to Saigon is actually arriving in like about, I think, 5 minutes, according to Flight Radar 24. So yeah, I will head down to the gate once that plane lands. Alright guys, now leaving the lounge and heading to my gate. Alright guys, I just made it to the gate. As you can see, that's my flight, VietJet Air flight VJ330 to Ho Chi Minh, or otherwise known as Saigon, but I like to call it Saigon. Yeah, I think we should be boarding soon. Okay guys, so we're actually going to be taking a terminal bus to our flight. Apparently our plane is somewhere out there on the tarmac and not here at this gate. So yeah, I will see you once I get on the plane. Our VietJet flight. As you can see, passengers are still boarding from the terminal bus over there, but we should be departing soon. Anyways, I'm gonna review the seat. Okay guys, so this is the seat on VietJet. As you can see, it's got a nice full-size tray table. No seat back entertainment screens, but that is okay because this flight's only 30 minutes. As you can see right here, we got the safety pamphlet for the A321 and also an in-flight magazine. Yeah, that's pretty much all of it. All that's in the front pocket of this seat here, and this seat has a lot of leg room too. those of you guys that watched my Airbus A330 flight from Saigon to Phu Quoc, as you guys know, the flight distances between the two cities are really short. Like, they're about 30 to 40 minutes. So because of how short those flights are, there's not really a meal service or a snack service because of how short all the flights are. So most likely this flight will also not have a meal service, but I'm just gonna chill out and relax on this flight as we make our way to Saigon. Alright guys, as you can see, we just left Phu Quoc and now we are entering mainland Vietnam, as you can see down there, and just like that we're gonna land. That's how fast this flight is.